All right, so we have some Elite Series 1 and 2 UTV side mirrors. This is a 2-pack, different styles you have. These will fit pretty much anything. You have the UTV, so that's your Defender, that's your Ranger, and then you have your Can-Am, your Razor, your Honda, anything like that. These are both going to be versatile to fit your UTV. You got your clamps. That's going to be your different size cages that you can clamp these to. And then here are your mirrors. So this is your Series 1, pretty wide frame, looks pretty easy to install. The only difference in your Series 2 is you're going to get that kind of dually kind of look. It's going to have 2 mirrors to kind of expands, and I believe this one does rotate, so it pivots up and down, so you can kind of see your rear tires or something like that. So you can get this one on, once you get it on of your factory bar, this is how you can pivot it to your liking, your desire. You see this is the Series 2. It does have the 2 different mirrors. This one seems a little more magnifying on this side. This one is, I guess, to see more of the car, more of the vehicle. So comparison side by side. Series 2, it's got the 2 different glasses in this, and then your Series 1. The Series 2 is going to pivot once you get it onto the factory bar. So let's get these bad boys installed. Okay, so we have our clamp here, we have the tools we need. So it's really simple, very easy. Put your clamp on just like that. We're gonna put our backing in there. Then you just put your mirror, just like that. The clamp's on. Okay, so we have our mirror installed. Really unique thing is when you hit a tree, it's gonna pop like that. You see how easy that was? I don't know if you know, but on some of the mirrors on the side-by-sides, even on the pickup trucks, and I'm not comparing this to a truck, but it's that easy. Sometimes you have to force yourself, so hit a tree, it's gonna pop out, pop right back. It goes right back into place. Like I said, if you end up breaking your glass, you send it back to us, we send you a brand new one. You can also pivot this to your liking, poke it out a little bit, it's gonna come out that way too, pop right back. Turn it this way, you can pivot it down, pivot it up, and you can pull it in. Make sure you check out specific kits. The only models that you're gonna have any issues with these is gonna be your Defender Limited and your Polaris Ranger NorthStar. That's a full door enclosure. But if you're rocking our Thumper Fab half doors, this is definitely the way to go. And if you're not, make sure you check out the specific kits for these mirrors. Very simple, very easy. I mean, it took a quick 10 minutes. I do want to show you that if you do have a full windshield, you can still utilize that windshield with these mirrors on it. Once again, I love the kickback on it. So you're going through the trails, you hit a tree, you're not going to knock your mirror off. But if for some reason, if you do, send it back to us, we're going to send you a new replacement. Pop it back, pop it forward. It's that simple, it's that easy. This side also adjusts, and it also pivots up and down to your liking. So if you want to find out ways to keep your eyes on the trail, check us out, thumperfab.com.